Alright, so the Rolls Royce fun never ends. As you can see, the pulley and part of the clutch assembly, I have it sitting there. So I was going to put the belts back on, because we just had them laying in here when we got the thing running. So I pulled everything off, and I'm doing them one at a time. And it goes power steering, AC, and then 3 to the alternator. Great, fine, beautiful, fabulous, fantastic. Is what it is. So, first round of fun. The bolt that holds the, it's hard to see it because there's no room in here. Oh, there's my finger. It can go right there. The bolt that holds the clutch on the compressor. Yeah, it I guess was cracked in there because I went to go slip the belts over and they were tight, so I was kind of walking them on because we have the tensioner here. You can see it down there. And let's just say it's getting them on and pivoted on, and this comes flying off at me because the head of the bolt was rusted through. It went and it fell. It's down there on the floor somewhere. I was able to get the actual bolt, because it was now loose, out, so I was able to hit it with a screwdriver and spin it out. So that's fun. Grabbed another bolt of that thread size, and of course it won't thread back in. So we got that fun to deal with. Also, these belts are too short because this tensioner, when the belts were slipped over, well, one of them anyway, it was so tight, it was touching on the bottom of the pulley. You can actually see marks on the pulley from where it was previously. So we have that round of fun going for us. So I'm gonna pull the compressor back off. I'm just gonna get its belts out of here, out of our hair. I wanna get just the generator / alternator, whatever you wanna call it, hooked up. I just want it so we can fire this baby up. And we'll deal with the AC later, because there's really no other way to deal with it at the moment.